after you've removed this clip, remove all the plastic around the inside of the door. It's a bit tight, but you can pull it all off. You then remove this white clip, and then you've got 3 bolts to remove. 1, 2 and 3. Use the tool to take these out, and then it just slides out. Get your replacement, put it back in, and replace the 3 bolts, making sure you make them all tight. Then push the clip back in, making sure it clicks. Put the interior back together, put this clip back in 2 pieces, and then you're done.